Python functions are first-class citizens. You can pass them as arguments and return them from other functions. A decorator is simply a wrapper function that dynamically enhances or modifies the behavior of a target function without permanently altering its source code. Building a timer decorator. Instead of hard-coding logs, we will build a universal performance timer decorator using args and kwargs to accept any function parameter. Look at the code. Step 1. Create the decorator function that accepts the target function. Okay. And excuse me. Step 2. Define the inner wrapper function. Like this. Action before execution. Execute the actual target function and capture its return value. Action after execution. And then return result. Return the actual result. Return wrapper. Return the modify wrapper. Okay. The syntactic sugar. Instead of manually wrapping functions, Python offers the elegant @sign syntax to apply decorators instantly. Look at the code. Manual wrapping. And excuse me. Then the clean way. The clean way like this. Okay. The clean way. Now just call it normally. Excuse me. Okay, let's run and print. Okay, fixing metadata with functions.wraps. When wrapping a function, it loses its original identity. To preserve the original function's metadata for debugging and documentation, always use @wraps from the functions library. Look at the code. First import library. Okay. Then okay, this magic line copies the original metadata. Return result. Then return wrapper. Okay. Summary. Use decorators to keep your code dry. Don't repeat yourself by isolating concerns like caching, logging, or authorization. Always implement @wraps in production grade custom decorator. Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.